Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. This is a quick start video of removing your Reflex Viewfinder from your Bolex H16. First, there should be 1, 2, 3, 4 micro screws on top. You want to remove those with a precision screwdriver. Those of you who know my channel and follow it know that I don't keep my screws intact on my cover of my viewfinder for film students and Bolex enthusiasts who have questions. Now, once you remove the screws, just simply put your thumb here, your hand up front, lift up on the plate with your thumb, and slide it forward or pull it straight up. Just like that. There you are. Next, you'll have 4 screws in the bottom of the viewfinder. I'll show you. Pull this up like so. You'll see here by my pencil eraser 1, 2, and there'll be 3 and 4. Why can't you see the other 2? It's because of this silver arm here. You have to take it, push it forward just like so, and it's a metal plate that flips up in front of the glass here to stop any unwanted light during filming. So, I'll take my eraser and I'll push that back again, and I'm going to show you what's going on inside. I'll use my thumb. Take a look inside at your screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Watch the metal plate. Then I'll move with my thumb. See it flip up, and there are your screws. Right down there. 1 and 2. Alright. So let's remove those. Doesn't take long. These are short screws. Make sure you have a container off to the side. I've got my egg carton, as everyone knows on my channel. There's a second one. And to the third. Now the fourth one. Take care not to tip the viewfinder or let it fall, because now this part with a rubber eye cup can fall right off and the glass elements can break. Show you what I mean. Hold the eye cup like so with these hands. With this hand, hold the front, tilt it forward, lift it up just a bit, and you're done. It's removed. Don't tilt it down, because right here, this part with the glass elements can slip straight out. So now, you have successfully removed your viewfinder for whatever needs be, such as cleaning. Generally in here, if you're doing the cleaning, and you have some dust or dirt or black specks in there, I'll drop a link in this video where you can clean that, how to dismantle it, take care of the glass. Be careful, they're almost eggshell thin, some of them. Sometimes you might see, again, some black specks. It can be dust and dirt, but a lot of times what happens is that tiny insects will crawl inside of here, get right on the viewable image right there, and they'll just die. And that's what those black specks are. Alright? So you can just use you can blow it out with a bulb, or use hydrogen peroxide and clean them really well. Alright? Make sure you use latex gloves when you're cleaning the glass elements. because the oils from the fingers will destroy the glass. Alright, reassembly. Find this long hole that you see right there. You can actually see the glass elements. That goes on the bottom. You want to insert it just like this. That long hole down there on the bottom. The long hole, you want to line it up with this tiny hole by the end of my pencil eraser. Right there. Line that up, and this can be a bit tricky. Next, there is a silver pin on the top of the body where the viewfinder goes by my pencil eraser. Make sure these holes here, the one with the glass elements with the rubber eye cup and this one, are lined up. That sits onto the pin. Test it. See? There you go. And once you've got it, check it. Grab it here by the eye cup and give it some tugs. If it's locked like that, you're good. Now, you can reinsert your screws. Don't put these very tight, just fairly snug. No screw in a Bolex needs to be very tight at all. You don't want to strip anything. These cameras are made of aluminum and metal. That's 2. That's 3. Last one. And that's 4. Again, doing good there. It's snug. Take your plate, top cover for your viewfinder, put it right back on, slide it up a bit to the eyepiece. You would have 4 more screws. Apply those with your precision screwdriver. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do subscribe, click that bell. Contact us at Bolex Repair Philippines FB page for any servicing or parts you may need or any questions. Alright, hope you've enjoyed everything and you learned something. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Until next time, see ya!